Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Merry Christmas everyone. I hope everybody is having great holidays and market seems pretty sideways for me. Okay, so let's see what is our plan for tomorrow. Because the market was off, it was on holiday today. Market's closed, so I did not upload the analysis video yesterday. Tomorrow, because it's open, we are trading it for tomorrow. Okay. So we have few stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty and US oil levels. So let's see it. So if you guys see, Nifty was in a good uptrend. Okay, we saw this big sell-off. It's a pullback. There's another profit booking. So what will I do? See, the ideal place to sell this is only post 21,000 and 222. Okay, this is the ideal place for a sell. Okay, but here the risk to reward ratio is also pretty good. Here is the ideal and a safe place to sell below this low. Okay, because the price action should work like this. An M pattern will form, the M pattern will break, and it will go down. Okay, but because I'm kind of a risky trader, and I like to enter on the top every time I try to get into the top. Okay, into the top positions, so I have a bigger trend to catch. So tomorrow, if it crosses 21,325, I'll be looking forward to short it, and my stop loss will be 50 points. Okay, above this swing will be my stop loss, and my target will be 21,045. Okay, 21,045 will be my target. But for now, tomorrow I am negative about the market. Post 21,225, I'll be shorting it little with a bigger quantity. If it crosses 21,000, I'll be 21,012 or 15. I'll be aggressively shorting it. Okay, so these are my positions for Nifty. Next is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you see, already I have a position, which is just a one small lot. Okay, one small lot, which gave me a very bad psychological hit because of this candles. So what happened after this candle broke? I entered here. On this candle, I entered. Okay, this was my stop loss, which was a 250 point stop loss. It is a big stop loss because it was only one lot, and I want to take it forward, and I really want to take it positional. That is why I entered this, and when it broke it, I entered. Simple as that. Okay, so tomorrow, if it goes up little, okay, if I get a level of 47,595, I will be shorting it again. Okay, if it retests here, I'll be shorting it again. My stop loss will be small, like 670 points something will be my stop loss, and my target will be 46,915 or 920. Okay, this will be my targets. So next, let's see US oil. US oil, we already shorted this on Thursday, and Friday, and we have kept it. We are still holding it. So tonight the market will open. See, market is open, market closed in 8 hours watching, but actually the market's not open. Is this saying, but market is actually not open. If market opens, I'm expecting a gap down or a little fall or a pullback. Anything can happen, but this is a good. You see these wicks. These wicks are pretty good zones. Okay, these wicks are pretty good zones. So I will definitely keep it here. There'll be my. I'll be adding more position at 73, 73 and 60, and my take profit will be 72.65. Okay, this will be the first target, and second target will be 71.30. So this is for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, if you guys see, this is a good uptrend. Okay, if this uptrend gets broken, there I'll be drawing a 10 line. There is one thing called as 10 line breakage. I have another trend line strategy which is revolved only around trend lines. Okay, so how I actually trade trend lines, how trend lines should be traded, all those will be covered in that. That video will be out tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. This I'm trying to trade it only that way, and let's just mark our key levels in this very quickly. So let's find the candles. This is Friday 4-hour candle. Okay, this is Friday 4-hour candle up, and Friday 4-hour candle low. That's it. So today we don't have a candle. Tomorrow we'll get it. Okay, and depending on the breakage, we will trade it. Okay, so as of now, I'm expecting it on a sideways, gold to go side, and then because this was a trend, okay, an uptrend and downtrend, I want it to go sideways, and only then I'm expecting a move either side. Next we have 4 stock for swing. First one is Cybertech Systems. Cybertech Systems, we actually had an entry here, okay, which we missed. This was the first entry which we missed, so we are waiting for the second entry now. Second entry is at 200 rupees. If it crosses 200, I'm expecting a target till 240. Sorry for that. I hope my audio is clear. Okay, so next I'm expecting Castrol India. Castrol India, we had a trade here. Okay, we had a trade in this. Hope mic is working now. Yeah, mic is working now. Great. So sorry for that. Mic got disconnected. So tomorrow I'm expecting Castrol oil to give a small pullback and then breach this. If it breaches 160 rupees and above, okay, 160 rupees and above, and if it survives around 162 and 168, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy this and hold it. This is a very good stock. Here last time we got a trade. Okay, so this is how the trade looks. This is how we got the trade last time, and it's forming the same. Okay, it has a pattern, it follows a pattern. This is a very good pattern. Okay, so let's see how Castrol is. My entries at 162 to 168. My stop loss at 160 rupees. Okay, so next one is Surya Roshni. Surya Roshni is also in an uptrend. If you guys see, this is a good uptrend. This is a good uptrend. Tried breaching, but it did not happen. Then again, it started going up. This is really good. So these kind of manipulations happens, guys. These kind of manipulations happens. Tomorrow I'm expecting a pullback in this. If I get a price of 560, 545 to 610 anywhere, I'll be entering it, and my stop loss will be at 575. Okay, so next one is Mukund. Mukund was on a sideway for almost 150 days, and it is giving a breakout now. If it survives this, that is if it surpasses this level of 198, is the safest buy, okay, here. But we can enter on a pullback because this will be the best price, okay, and the stop loss will be small. That is the only reason. Okay, so 191 to 200 rupees anywhere I get, I'll be purchasing it. My stop loss will be at 186 rupees. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some information on my trades and my ideas for tomorrow. I'll be uploading the trend line video tomorrow. Please watch it. It's a very good way to trade trend lines. So thank you so much. Keep supporting, keep watching my content, so it's easy for me, for the YouTube to recognize me and push my content. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.